Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about New York City and shared 10 fun facts. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Was New York City the first capital of the United States? Yes, it was the first U.S. capital in 1789. Is Times Square named after a fruit? No, it's named after the New York Times newspaper. Are less than 100 languages spoken in New York City? No, over 800 languages are spoken there. Is Central Park smaller than the country of Monaco? No, Central Park is actually larger. Did the U.S. build the Statue of Liberty from scratch? No, it was a gift from France, assembled in New York. Does the NYC subway close at night? No, it operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Was the Empire State Building the tallest building for 10 years? No, it was the tallest for nearly 40 years. Do fewer than 10 million tourists visit NYC each year? No, over 60 million tourists visit annually. Does New York City have 6 boroughs? No, it has 5 boroughs. Did the nickname the Big Apple come from horse racing? Yes. It started with horse racing prize money. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.